Have you ever tried this crunchy deep fried noodle with sauce? Usually served in a thick savory egg sauce with pieces of meat and veggies. This is Indonesian ifumi goreng or kisi mee in Hokkien. Our cooking starts as usual with some chopped garlic and shallots. You can use any type of vegetable, but our chef insists,
oh yeah, everything must be white.
so it's mushrooms, cabbage and chicken for the white meat. Chop the vegetables and cut a piece of chicken breast into half. Slice into long strips. Now it's time to prepare the sauce mixture. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 cube of chicken stock, 150 ml of water. To make the cornstarch slurry, we use 1:1 ratio of cornstarch to water. If you do not have corn flour, you can substitute it with tapioca or potato flour. 1 large egg.
Try not to break the egg.
Time to deep fry your fresh egg noodles. You need a lot of oil for this process. Seeing bubbles when you place your chopstick means the oil is ready. The quantity should be enough to cover the top of your fresh egg noodle when you submerge it. Fry your fresh egg noodles until they turn brown and crispy. If you want to know more about which noodles puff up the best, just click on the video at the end of this show. Let us start cooking our sauce by heating up some oil. Fry the garlic and shallots until brown. Add the chicken slices and give them a few toasts. Then add the fresh chopped mushroom. Pour in 300 ml of water, quantity depending on the number of plates you plan to serve. Now it's time to add in the sauce mixture that we made earlier. Do not forget to test the sauce and adjust it to your taste. Cover the sauce and bring it to a boil. Put in the cabbage, let it come to boil again. Add enough corn flour slurry until the sauce thickens. Some people like it thick and some do not. It all depends on your taste. Stir in the whole egg unbeaten. Give the egg a quick stir to incorporate it into the sauce. The heat from the boiling sauce will continue to cook the eggs. Scoop and pour the hot savory sauce on top of your crispy deep fried noodles. This dish is best served hot while the noodles are crispy. The noodles will eventually become soft by the sauce. The more sauce you add into the noodles, the faster it will soften. Just listen to the crispiness of these deep fried noodles. It's crunchy and full of savory yummy sauce. Give this video a like and drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching!